Hello everybody! We are all finished learning about insects. We have learned a lot of things about a lot of different insects. Today we are going to take a couple of assessments to see how well you remember everything that we learned. Go ahead and open up the PDF that is attached to this assignment and make sure you've got it open in Kami. The first page should look like this one. We've taken a lot of assessments that look like this. I will ask you on this one, this first one, I will ask you questions about vocabulary words that we have learned in this domain. If the answer to my question is yes, you will circle or fill in the thumbs up sign. If the answer to my question is no, you will circle or fill in the thumbs down sign. Make sure you only have one filled in for each question. All right, my friends, let's get started. Number 1. Is a host an animal or a plant on which or in which another living thing lives? Now remember, I will only say these questions, I will only ask them once, but if you need to pause or even rewind the video and go back, that's totally fine. Number 2, social. Do social insects live by themselves? Number 3, solitary. Do solitary insects live by themselves? Number 4, antennae. Are an insect's antennae located on its head and used to get information about its surroundings? Number 5, exoskeletons. Are insects' exoskeletons located on the inside of their bodies, just like a person's skeleton? Number 6, metamorphosis. Is metamorphosis the change an insect goes through from egg to larva to pupa to an adult? Number 7, molt. Do insects molt so they can continue to grow? Number 8, pollen. Is pollen the part of the insect's body that is farthest from its head? Number 9, bioluminescence. Do fireflies communicate with one another using bioluminescence? Number 10, entomologist. Is an entomologist a type of bug? An entomologist. Number 11, microscopic. If something is microscopic, is it very, very large? Number 12, cooperate. If people cooperate, do they work together to accomplish something? Number 13, destructive. If something is destructive, does that mean that it is helpful and tries to make things better? Number 14, transparent. If a window is transparent, does that mean that you are able to see through it? And number 15, foe. Is a foe an enemy? 15, is a foe an enemy? All right, my friends, when you are ready for our next assessment, only 2 today. When you're ready for the next assessment, go ahead and scroll down to the next page. It looks almost exactly the same. We've got our thumbs ups and thumbs downs. I will be asking you yes or no questions. If the answer to my question is yes, you'll circle or fill in the thumbs up. If the answer to my question is no, you'll circle or fill in the thumbs down. These ones will not be specifically about the vocabulary words, but just about everything else that we've learned about insects in this domain. All right, my friends, let's get started. Number 1, do insects live in every habitat on Earth except for the ocean? Remember, you can always pause or rewind if you need to. Number 2, do insects have 8 legs and 5 main body parts? Number 3, do insects have skeletons on the inside of their bodies, just like we do? Number 4, are honeybees and paper wasps solitary insects? Number 5, do some social insect colonies have queens that lay eggs? Number 6, are spiders insects? Are spiders a type of insect? Number 7, do insects use their antennae to smell and to feel? Do insects use their antennae to smell and to feel? Number 8, does complete metamorphosis have 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult? Complete metamorphosis. Number 9, when people spray pesticides or cut down insects' habitats, are they helping insects? And number 10, do crickets communicate with one another by the blinking lights called lanterns that are located on their abdomens? Number 10, do crickets communicate with one another by the blinking lights called lanterns on their abdomens? All right, my friends, when you are finished with all of those questions and you've answered all of them on both parts of the assessment, you are all finished with knowledge today. That's all you need to do for today. Make sure you turn that one in, and I will see you next time.